Hi everyone, good to see you. We've got some information to share with you this month that will hopefully save you from having a home catastrophe. Temperatures are starting to rise as well as humidity. I know here in San Antonio we had 98, 99, and 100 degrees all last week with a lot of humidity that we aren't used to. But what typically happens, HVAC companies start making money left and right. This is their busy season. So how do you save yourself some money and also save yourself from some future repairs, or what I call the water disaster? So during this time of year, from May through August, sometimes September, but definitely May through August, you need to take vinegar or bleach and pour a cup down your drain line so that it clears out the congestion. Now, why is this important? Because that drain line gets clogged very easy from all the condensate line, and it needs to go somewhere, so then it means it backs up. And when it backs up, that's often through your ceiling or on your floor. And you can prevent all of this by just simply putting on your calendar once every month. Sometimes, if I'm dealing with lots of people with water problems, I'll do it every 2 weeks. I'll go pour that vinegar or bleach down my drain line. I'm going to include a photo of what that looks like in case you're not aware of that or have never done that before. Highly suggest it. And in addition to that, next time you have your HVAC company out, I'm going to suggest a little thing to add to your system if you don't have it, and that is called a float switch. What is that? It also installs in that drain line and shuts the system off when it is not performing correctly. Your coils freeze up, all of those things, because you have way too many symptoms going on with your HVAC. And that is a great safety tool as well. That'll save you lots of money. So float switch installed. Talk to your HVAC guy or gal next time they're out at your house and pour that vinegar or bleach down the drain line so that you don't have a backed up HVAC system. Again, I'll probably find a video and include it. Click it below too, but please take some time to do that. It will save you a lot of heartache, a lot of less frustration for a little bit of effort. Thanks for joining me. Go check your HVAC.